Hey everyone! Are you tired of apps not working on your Amazon Fire TV stick and don't know what to do next? Don't worry, because today I'm here to guide you on how to fix apps not working on Amazon Fire TV stick. Your entertainment shouldn't be interrupted by technical hiccups, so let's get those apps running smoothly again with some easy steps. Step 1. Restart your Fire TV stick. One of the simplest yet most effective solutions is to restart your Fire TV stick. This process clears temporary cache files and can resolve many glitches. To restart, just go to Settings, My Fire TV, Restart. If your remote isn't responding, unplug the power cable from the TV stick. Wait 10 seconds and plug it back in. This basic step often resolves app issues quickly and gets your entertainment back on track. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Apps not loading properly? The issue might be your internet connection. First, ensure your Wi-Fi is working correctly and your Fire TV stick is connected to it. Navigate to the Settings, Network, select your network, and press the Play/Pause button to check the network's status. Make sure your internet is stable and has sufficient bandwidth to stream content. If needed, reboot your router or try connecting via a wired connection using an Ethernet adapter for better stability. Step 3. Clear app cache and data. Clearing cache and data can solve app performance problems. To do this, go to Settings, Applications, Manage, Installed Applications, choose the problematic app, and select Clear Cache. If issues persist, opt for Clear Data. But remember, this will reset the app to its default state. This step is incredibly useful for apps that have been used extensively and may have a lot of residual data affecting their performance. Step 4. Update apps and Fire OS. Keeping your apps and Fire OS updated ensures they run smoothly with the latest features and bug fixes. To update apps, navigate to Settings, Applications, App Store, Automatic Updates, and ensure this feature is enabled. For system updates, go to Settings, My Fire TV, About, check for system update. Download and install any available updates to get a better seamless experience with your Fire TV stick. Step 5. Uninstall and reinstall apps. If a specific app continues to misbehave, consider uninstalling and reinstalling it. To uninstall, head to Settings, Applications, Manage, Installed Applications, select the app, and choose Uninstall. Visit the Amazon App Store and reinstall the app. This refreshes the app's data and can correct corrupt files or settings that may have been causing issues. Step 6. Perform a factory reset. When all else fails, a factory reset can return your device to its original settings and resolve persistent issues. Caution: factory reset will remove all data and require setup again. To proceed, go to Settings, My Fire TV, Reset to Factory Default. Confirm your choice and allow the device to restart. After it powers up, reconnect to Wi-Fi and reinstall your necessary app. And there you have it, your comprehensive guide on how to fix apps not working on Amazon Fire TV Stick. By following these steps, you can easily troubleshoot and resolve most issues. Restarting your device, checking your connectivity, clearing cache, updating software, uninstalling and reinstalling apps, and if necessary, performing a factory reset can help maintain your streaming experience without any disruption. Enjoy uninterrupted entertainment and dive back into your favorite shows with confidence. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech solutions and guides. Happy streaming.